Why is everyone talking about game called Roblox? And why it's everyone's favorite? I should download that game on my mobile, I guess. It will take time to download on my mobile. I should go home. It will be downloaded in my mobile by the time when I reach home. Finally, I'm home. Let's play Roblox. I'm excited to play Roblox. Let's log in. Let's add random letters in username box. Why it's not working? Let's try another password.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I have a big question that why it isn't working. Oh, I had to click sign up. My birth date? Let's add random numbers lol. What about this username? Let's type something funny in the password box lol. Obviously I'm a female. Oh my god, I didn't accept this. So many games in one app. Wow. What should I play? I'm super duper confused. Oh, let's play this. Logo quiz? Sounds interesting. Help. How do I control? What's happening? Help. Okay, how am I supposed to play? I could walk from left hand side and I could jump from right hand side and can also rotate the screen direction from both hands. Finally. Guess the math? Hell no, I hate maths. Let's go the other side. Roblox icon? I don't know. They both look similar. Let's do random.
A few minutes.
Okay, I'm bored now. What if I click this button? What's this? Let me just exit. And what does this button do? Wow, a rainbow carpet? Interesting. Let's click it. What? Do I have to purchase it? My parents could barely afford a chocolate for me. How are they supposed to afford this? Roblox is too expensive. Bruh.